Hey everyone, welcome to MarineMax St. Petersburg. My name is Justin Lindhorst, and today I'm standing on board the gorgeous Sea Ray 310 SLX with twin 300 horsepower Mercury Verado outboard engines. This is a premium bow rider from Sea Ray, 31 feet long, gorgeous layout, and I'd love to show you the boat. Please step aboard with me. So as you can tell on the transom of this boat, you still have the wide walk-through with a swim step which folds out. So when you're at the sandbar, the step folds out into the water, which is great. You have a extra large sun pad back here with movable backrest, stereo controller with a plug point and well-appointed drink holders, as you can tell. Great walkway to get in the boat. You'll notice this boat is featuring the fiberglass hardtop with a retractable sunroof and the extendable sheer shade option, which is really great for boating in Florida. Well-appointed seating. You can go boating comfortably with 12 of your friends or family. As you can tell, this boat also features a nice teak table, which is here in the cockpit. The passenger and the captain's seats are both double wide, so you're never sitting alone when you're out on the water. The passenger seat does rotate around to give you a nice lounge effect back there as well. This boat has the digital dash with the medallion display, all your navigation. It's a nice one flat screen, which is great. All the controls on board are all digitally operated just by pressing the screen right here. This boat has the joystick piloting, 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engines, crazy amount of power, a super fun boat to drive. She tops out at about 55 miles an hour and comfortably cruises at 30. Being Sea Ray's premium bow rider, she's 31 feet long, has ample seating up in the bow, which is really wonderful. Windlass. Lots of storage under all the seats. There is a bow table which is stowed under the port side seat right there, and you can have that table secured on either the port or the starboard table holders. This boat also has the shade option up in the bow, that's what these little brackets are for. If you'd like any more information on the Sea Ray, once again, my name is Justin Lindhorst. I'm here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Please give us a call or stop on by the store. We'd love to show you this beautiful Sea Ray. Thank you for watching.